Are your layers laying fewer eggs than expected? Are the shells soft? Yolks looking pale? You have tried vitamins premixes. You have spent money on boosters and tonics. But the results do not last. What if I told you the real game changer isn't something synthetic or imported, but two simple spices sitting right in your kitchen? Turmeric and black pepper. Yes, you heard that right. Turmeric and black pepper. Farmers in Asia and Africa have used them for centuries, but the modern poultry science is just catching up. These natural herbs, when combined, can drastically improve egg quality, reduce yolk cholesterol, fight diseases, and boost overall flock health. Some might call it local remedy or bush medicine, but the science now back it, and I'm going to walk you through the how, the why, and most importantly, the results. Let me share something powerful with you. In Ibadan, Oyo State, a small-scale poultry keeper named Mamarasi had 120 layers. Around the 30th week, her birds started laying fewer eggs. The shells were breaking easily, yolks were pale, and customers began complaining. She even started losing her loyal buyers. She tried calcium grades, multivitamins, commercial egg booster. No real change. That is when someone told her about turmeric and black pepper. She had called me. We set up a simple 8-week trial. In just 4 weeks, she started noticing yolks become deeper in color. By the seventh week, she had regained her usual sales volume. Customers even said the eggs looked fresher and tasted better. That one shift brought her from near frustration to full recovery. Now, imagine the same strategy being applied to 1,000 birds in Abeokuta or even backyard birds in Enugu. These herbs work at any scale, but let's talk about why they work. Turmeric, known botanically as Curcuma longa, is a root or rhizome loaded with a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It helps the bird's liver function better, and this is important because the liver is the factory where eggs yolks are made. It is also improve digestion and helps destroy harmful gut bacteria like E. coli, while promoting helpful bacteria like lactobacillus, creating a cleaner and more efficient digestive system. Black pepper contains a compound called pepperine. On its own, curcumin has poor bioavailability. That means your birds eat it, but most of it goes to waste. Pepperine changes that. It boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000% by slowing its breakdown in the liver and intestines, meaning more curcumin gets into the bloodstream and does its job. So, when turmeric and black pepper are combined together, the result is synergistic. Now, just two herbs working separately but boosting each other power. Let me take you to Nsukka, Enugu. A woman cooperative running a semi-intensive farm with 180 Isa brown hens faced a sudden egg drop. We introduced turmeric and black pepper into their daily feed. Nothing else was changed. By week 3, yolks were brighter. By week 6, lay rate improved by over 13%. Mortality dropped, and buyers started coming back. Their eggs stood out at the market. In Benin City, a young agripreneur running 500 layer saw stronger shells and brighter yolk after switching to herbal additive. And across several farms we have worked with, from Makurdi to Ilori, we consistently notice stronger plumage, improved appetite, and reduced medication costs when turmeric and black pepper are included in rations. How to use turmeric and black pepper. Let's get practical. For every 100 kg of feed, mix 100 grams of turmeric powder, 0.1%, 30 to 40 grams of black pepper powder, 0.03% to 0.04%. Do not overuse. Exceeding 0.5% turmeric or 0.05% pepper can cause reduced feed intake. Now, here's a trick for better mixing. Combine the powders with a bit of warm water and vegetable oil or cook starch like pap, akamu, mix into your dry feed. This prevents the powders from settling at the bottom and ensures your bird eats the herbs evenly. Turmeric isn't a magic bullet. Be patient and consistent. By week 3, expect better yolk color. By week 5 to 6, overall egg quality and production often improve. By week 8, you may notice better immunity and combined brightness, reduce disease symptoms, and stronger shells. Use it consistently for 60 days to ensure full benefits. No access to big feed mixer? No problem. Here is a simple tip for small scale farmers. Boil one egg, mash it, add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. Feed it to a hen 2 to 3 times a week. The egg yolk is rich in fat, which helps absorb curcumin, and your birds get the full benefit without processing large feed batches. Common question: will it change the taste of eggs? No, at the current dose, there is no smell or taste effect. Instead, eggs look fresher and more appealing. Can I use fresh turmeric root? Yes. Peel, crush, or blend it. Just ensure consistency in quantity. Can I use it for broilers? Absolutely. It supports liver health, boosts immunity, and improves growth performance in broilers too. Warning: use safely. Avoid overdosage. Too much turmeric equals reduced feed intake. Too much pepper, gut irritation. Stick to 0.1% turmeric and 0.03 to 0.04% pepper. Start small. Observe your birds for 2 weeks. Adjust if needed. In today's economy, every egg counts. The days of over-relying on synthetic additives are fading. We now know that nature offers effective, affordable, and safer alternatives. Turmeric and black pepper are not just kitchen ingredients, they are functional feed additives. They heal, protect, and improve. So, whether you are in Kano, Port Harcourt, Akure, or Lagos, this herbal combo could be your next breakthrough. It is time to farm smarter, not just harder. Did you learn something valuable today? Then do not keep it to yourself. Like this video, it helps more farmers to discover this information. Comment below, tell us your location and what challenges your birds are facing. Subscribe to this channel. We drop practical real world tips every single week. And share this video with 2 or 3 farmers in your WhatsApp group or community. Today, we are building a poultry movement based on natural knowledge and modern science. Perfect eggs do not come from the factory. They come from healthy birds raised by informed farmers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Sam is out. Peace out.